Hey you! Do you come over here so we can eat? Come on! Come on! Come here! It's okay. It's okay. Come on, let's eat! Do you want food? Do you want some food? Huh? You crawled all the way over there to the kitchen while Daddy was making you food. You can crawl back now. Huh? You gonna come sit with me and eat some food? Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Hey you, want food? Sit down. Come here. Right here. Right here. Come on. You gonna sit right there? Okay, you can sit there. You gonna get it? Uh-oh, what are you doing under there? You can't go under the table. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? You gonna get up there and get it? You can't stand up underneath there. Here, look. Come on up here. Get it. Come on. Climb up there. Climb up there. What a big girl. Daddy better grab it before you dump it on the floor, huh? Do you want some? Do you want some? Is it good? Is it good? Oh. Hey, is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Kendra. Kendra. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Don't worry about that. Hey. Kendra. Don't worry about that. Is it good? How's that? Is it good? You like that?